A Japanese Damascus VG-10 chef knife for just $10. Can it really deliver? Let's put it to the test. Today I'm reviewing this Home Hero VG-10 Damascus steel knife from Amazon, and the price was just out of this world. $10 for this knife. I cannot believe it was $10. And I'm gonna review it today, and I will also butcher a whole chicken with it, and we will see how it performs. And this is out of the box, never sharpened, nothing. It also has 67 layers of steel. It has Rockwell hardness, not sure what that is, and liquid nitrogen cooled blade. So it comes in a pretty cool case. This would make a great gift. Here, it opens here. The case kind of fell apart rather quickly, but this is what it looks like in the box. It also comes with this nice sheath. This knife is only $10, and this is out of the box. Look at this. I don't know, the price might change. It could be like a deal, but regardless, even for $30, this knife is great. There you have it. Pretty good. For a $10 knife. If you want to buy it, link is in the description below. So overall value, I give it a 9 out of 10. for what I paid. If I paid $10 for it on Amazon, but that might just be a holiday deal. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but even at 30 bucks, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. At $10, I give this a 10 out of 10. So if you want one, link is in the description below. This would make a great gift, especially because it comes in this super cool case with this really nice sheath. So makes a great gift, and at the price, it's a no-brainer. I'll see you guys later.